Guys, this damage is lethal. In this video we are going to take out the rear subframe, remove all the rust and redo all of the brake lines. This is a BMW E39 and it's been 7 long years since it tasted some asphalt. My mission is to save the car and bring it back on the road. Let's start by unbolting the shocks from the knuckle. Next, we tackle the 4 screws securing the rear subframe. Here I made a dumb mistake, which could have ended up costly. The handbrake cable got stuck and the suspension almost fell on the ground. Here you can see the condition of the rear subframe mounts and the brake lines, corroded and far from original. The brake lines are made out of copper and nickel. And here in Austria they are illegal, so I need to replace them with some original ones. And in my hand I'm holding 10 meters of brake lines. So now I'm beginning to remove the rust. My old angle grinder just gave up. I've actually bought exactly the same model, not sponsored. And here it is. Yeah, it's already dirty. Now it's the perfect time to cut the brake lines into the right length. At first, I measured the new brake lines required length. Then I cut it at the right length. Now I tried to bend them, but it wasn't that easy. So I thought, maybe it's easier to bend them on the car. And I was right. But before I could finish bending them, I needed to remove the rest of the brake line. It didn't want to come off because the nut was rounded. Then I removed the brake lines again and protected the subframe with some underseal and color. Now I really hope that these panels are protected for the next few years. It shines. I like that. And now I'm taking the newly fabricated brake lines and putting them in my car. But now comes the catch. Connecting the brake lines to the rubber brake hose requires a special connector. Yeah, I forgot to put it on. And when I noticed it, I couldn't get the connector on because the line was already bent. I had no choice but to start over, and this time with no room for error. Guys, I'm finally finished with the brake lines in the back. They look pretty good, I think. Oh my god, why didn't I notice that earlier? The danger is real and I'm grateful that I never hit the road with that car before. But luckily I have 2 spares. Okay, they need to come out too. There are dog hairs in here. Oh! Nice. Other side. Why did BMW do that like that? Now we should be able to pull it off. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That's the original color. And that's the color it is because of the sun. Perfect. It's a boy. Now I'm able to put in the rear suspension again. We've made it, so I just had to bolt it up. No more rust and a car that's now safe to drive. I actually wanted to make the rear suspension look fresh too, but I'm planning on replacing a few parts, maybe even the whole rear subframe in the future. So I think we're good for now.